Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Project Pan seasonal winter update basically. I will link the original video up in the description box or up here in the iCards. I don't know why I call this the description box because it's not. But I'm here to give you my one and only update. That video will explain to you guys that I am doing seasonal Project Pans. That way I can use products that go according to the season, since I live in a climate that gets all 4 seasons and then some in between. But before I get into my update, if you are new to my channel, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it, and let's get on with the video. Now I am super excited. You guys are going to have to let me know. I finally invested in an external mic. This is the second time I am filming this video because the first time I had the settings incorrectly. So I'm hoping and crossing my fingers you guys can hear me now, but you're here for the update. Obviously, you're not here for technical difficulties. So I'm just going to randomly share with you guys my progress on the 10 products that I did choose for the winter season. The first product that I want to share with you guys is the bronzer. This was a rollover bronzer from last year's 18 by 2018 Project Pan, and I am proud to say I am done with this bronzer, you guys. It is officially done. I'm going to show you a picture of what it looked like before, obviously, so you guys can see the difference. This bronzer is worth every single penny. It is natural on the face, it is buildable, it is matte. There's 4 different kinds, to matte to shimmery. I got the matte version of it, but I was able to blend this beautifully on the skin. It worked all year round for me. I didn't really have to switch this bronzer out for the summertime or the wintertime. It worked all year round, and you get so much product in this bronzer for $5 or $6. It's ridiculous. It is so densely packed. It is worth every penny. I am so happy I used it up. It was brand new when I first picked this one up to use up, and I love it. I'm very, very happy that that one is officially done. The color tattoo that I rolled over as well is the Just Beige. This was a limited edition one, and I will show you the picture, but this is where I stand today. I don't have much use of it left. I would say I probably have like maybe 2 weeks worth of this left, and it will be completely done. I have finished a color tattoo before in the past, so this will be my second one. Super excited. I use this every time I do any makeup on my eyes because it works great on my oily lids. So this one should be done by the finale. I have my NYX Dark Circle Corrector. This one already had hit pan when I started. I'll show you the picture, and this is where I am at right now. Look at this, you guys. Oh my gosh, I just have a little bit left. I would say that's more like a week's worth of corrector left. I have finished one of these in the past, so this is not a very hard corrector to finish. You do get a lot of product, but it is very nice and creamy, not super emollient, where it covers my dark circles. I only use it in the inner corner just to correct my darkness in there, and it works perfectly fine. So this one, again, should be done by my next update, or the finale, I should say. I picked this Maybelline Better Skin Concealer. This is in the color light medium. I am completely done with this concealer, so you guys can see, like, you could see right through that. I pulled out the stopper of this thing, and I'm not going to open it because I'm going to tell you a quick story. Pulled out the stopper. Technically I didn't pull it out, it fell into the tube, and I said fine, whatever. It wasn't exposed to the outside world, so I don't care, I'll continue to use it. Then as I got towards the end of that and I couldn't use it anymore, I tried to stick a foreign object in there to try to get out the stopper so I can get more out. And that foreign object broke and landed in there. So that's when I said, all right, I'm done with this concealer. I used about 95% of this concealer up. You get a lot of product in this concealer. Once you get that stopper out, you get months worth of concealer still left in this. So this is worth it because you're getting a ton, and I loved it. It did not crease under my eyes. It did not look cakey. It was a perfect consistency for dry under eyes. So if I were to recommend this, I would say yes. I just would get a lighter color because this light medium colors, it's exactly my skin tone. So this one is done. My Physicians Formula Eye Booster Liner. All right, you guys, so here's the deal with this one. Obviously, I can't show you progress on it. This is a liquid liner or pen liner that I've had for a long time. I only used it up to touch up whenever I used lashes on my eyeline or on my lash line, obviously. But I gotta tell you, now that I'm using this only as my wing liner, what I'm wearing today, it is nice. It's jet black. This is the ultra black. It's perfect to use if you're a beginner. I think it's a great formula. There's nothing wrong with this pen liner. For me though, it's not as matte as I want it to be, so it drives me insane. I see my liner and it's not as matte as I would like it to be. So I'm not going to repurchase this. I'm just going to use this one up. Again, I don't know how much longer I have on this one. It was dying on me. It came back to life, so I don't know. I would recommend it for those that don't like a gel liner, but if you like a jet matte black, this is not it. I still see shininess on my eyeliner. It drives me insane, but I'm trying to use this up, and now I understand and I am aware that I'm no longer buying this because it's not for me. It's not my preference. I also chose this Jordana Easy Liner in the color Tawny. I had shown you guys that I did not have much left of this. I think I marked it somewhere. Yes, right here. This is all that I had left. Can you guys even see that? I don't even think you guys can see that. So that's how much I had left. I am completely done with this liner. This was a great liner. It worked perfectly well for any type of lip product that I used on my lips. I loved it. It was a great product. I feel like though I go through liners like crazy, so I didn't get a lot of product in this, at least for me, because I do go through liners like crazy. That's the one lip product I go through a lot. So this is completely done. I'm very happy with it. I'm not going to repurchase it because I have a ton other liners to go through, but I would recommend this one. Another product that I did finish was my Fresh Sugar in Tulip. This was something I knew I was going to finish super quick because of the fact that it is winter time and my lips are super dry. So this is where I was, and I used that much, you guys. These are super easy for me to use. They're really quick. This one in particular was a perfect color for this time of year. Let me try to get you a swatch. Just because it was more of like that berry type of color. So I did like it. Personally though, I prefer the rose one or just the plain one. But it is a nice formula. I would use it at nighttime as well, and it would help with my dry lips. So yeah, that one is completely done as well. My MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Medium Plus. This one's going to take me a while. I don't know. Can you guys even tell any progress on this at all? I don't even know. I'm going to share it with you guys, pictures of it. This is something that I use every day. Every time I use makeup, it sets my face really nicely. I can use this only in the winter time. I need something more mattifying in the summertime when I am super oily, but it is a beautiful finish. Like, this is what I'm wearing today. Every time I have been filming for the last 2 to 3 months, this is what I have been wearing, and I'm trying to use this up because it is my oldest powder and it won't work in the summer, so I have to take advantage of the winter time. I don't hate it. I actually like this a ton, so that's where I am at with that. It probably won't finish up till for the finale, and I'll probably roll over to the springtime. Last 2 products I'm super excited to share with you guys. First one is the IT Cosmetics Hello Light Cream Illuminator. I will show you the picture, obviously, of where I was, and here is where I am at. I am completely done with this product, you guys. As I had mentioned in the past, I can use cream highlighters, cream bronzers very quickly. It's just I take advantage of the winter time and put this all over my face as a primer, and it worked perfectly fine for that. I really like this a ton. Now I'm going to mention this because I feel like I don't want to give you guys the wrong, like a misconception of these. Any type of cream or liquid highlighter, just keep in mind some of them may look very natural in indoor lighting, but once you step outside you may see some sparkle or some shimmer to your face because some of them are infused in it. You just can't see it in the actual pan. Now I don't mind putting this all over my face, specifically in the winter time or in the fall, because I'm not outside 24/7. In the summertime I'm literally outdoors all the time. Obviously I don't want people to make me think that I look like Edward Cullen out in the sun. No, that's not my intention. But in the wintertime I'm literally in a building, in my car, back in a building. It is way too cold to be outside, so I can care less if my face looks shimmery or shiny, because indoors it doesn't show. It's only when I'm legit in the direct sunlight. So I just wanted to let you guys know that this did show some sort of shimmer to my face only when I was out in the sun. But other than that, I had no one tell me why did I put a glitter all over my face, because it didn't look like glitter, it just looked like a shimmer to my face. So anyway, I did use it up. I scraped the edges and then I pressed it into the center. I think this was a great one. This was my oldest cream highlighter in my collection, and I'm so happy I'm done with it. It is done and I kind of miss it, but I'm using something else. Last but not least, you guys, this was the endless product of forever. I mean, like ever. This is worth every single penny. This is the MAC Studio Fluid Fix Fluid. I just finished this today, doing my foundation today. This was my last application. I cannot pump any more out of this. This is where I was, and I used all that up, you guys. I'm gonna miss it, but I'm happy that it's done because it's way too mattifying for me right now. I've been having issues with my skin, believe it or not, and I've had to use very, very creamy and moisturizing moisturizers on my face in order to get use out of this product. If I were to repurchase this, I would only repurchase this for the summer. I can't purchase this for the winter. It's just way too mattifying. I've been seeing like dry patches on my nose. I had one here. It's just way too mattifying. But anyway, I'm very happy I am done with this. I did not expect to be done with this today, but this was a bonus and I am done. Alright, so out of the 10 products that I shared with you guys, I am done 6 of them. I have 4 more left, and I am anticipating out of the 4, which is my corrector, my base for my eyeshadow, my powder, and this liner, I'm gonna at least finish half of these. These 2 I'm pretty sure will be done by the finale, and these 2 are probably gonna end up being rolled over to the spring season. So overall, I think I did a great job. I am very, very happy with my progress. I am already thinking of other project pans that I wanna do in the future. Wink, wink, stay tuned for Wednesday, just letting you guys know. But thank you guys so much for watching. My finale will be the first day of spring, and then I will introduce to you guys my spring one for the following season. So thank you again for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video, and don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.